In this session, I'm going to talk about the fraction. So the fraction is like this. If any two numbers, if we can represent like this is a flower and a tree. If any number, if we can represent like this, we call a fraction. On the top part, we call is a numerator. On the bottom part, we call denominator. For example, 2/3, right? 5/6, 9/8, 1/3. These all are fractions. But if the numerator is, in this example, the numerator is less than the denominator. Now here, look at this. 2/3, 2 is less than 3. So numerator is less than the denominator. We get a value less than 1. So this sort of fraction we call proper fraction. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, for example 9/8, in here the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so final answer would be over 1 point something. When you divide 9 divided by 8, you get 1 point something, and then this sort of fraction we call improper fraction. Now here, look at this example. 1 and 3/4. This sort of fraction we call mixed fraction. 1.5 is a mixed fraction, and 2 and 5/6 are mixed fraction, and 3 and 3/4 are mixed fractions, right? Those mixed fractions we can convert into improper fraction. How to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? How do? We need to multiply these two numbers and then add the numerator into that. Now for example, 2 times 1 is 2, and then adding 1 is 3. So you can keep 3 here, and the denominator is 2 here. So convert this number into improper fraction. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 into 12 plus 5 is 17/6. So I write down this one into, and this you need to add. Look at this, into, and then you have to add that value. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. 15/4. So those are improper fractions. Improper fractions, right? And next I need to show you the equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction, for example, so 1/2 is if you multiply with the same number numerator and denominator, and then you get that the equivalent fraction. For example, if you multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3, and you get 3 over 6. And if you multiply 4 with the numerator and denominator, you get 4 over 8 and 5, and then 5 over 10. Look at this. They have different numerator and denominators, but their value is the same. So if you further simplify 3 over 6, you get the final answer 1 over 2. Similarly, here when you divide by 4 both numerator and denominator, you get the same value 1 over 2. Here also the same. They have the same value but the different numerators and denominators. Right. So I hope you understood this one, and then we need to simplify how to do all operations with fractions. We can start working on these things from the next lesson. Thank you.